So I love my good old SoloShot version 2, but I have stored it for many years in the basement, and I just wanted to test it today, but it was dead, of course. So I think there was something problem with the batteries, and I hope it was 3.7 LiPo batteries in this one. Ooh, in this one. And it was. So I'm gonna show it how to open it. To take out the battery, you need to remove these screws. So 4 screws, and you have to remove the screws on the sides. On this side, and let's see, of course on this side. And the magic trick, you need a little force to just now pull out this. Beware of the cables. You don't want to rip them off. Now you can take out this. You can see one of the battery is there. So what I did on this side, just took off these connectors, then I took out the batteries. Yeah, you can just take out of this and pull the batteries out, and they are connected right there. So you can take out this, and you can put small pins in. You can use one of those chargers on NiMH for about a minute, so you get 20 milliamps. Then you just switch over to LiPo batteries and charge each battery up to, I did 100 milliamps. Then I just put it back together and just use the regular charging port. Yeah, and then it was okay. But I think I will order new batteries. So to put it back together, just reverse what you just saw. And of course the tag is also dead. But the tag is, I think it's harder to open. So now we're gonna try to open the tag. Now, let's see, back in the basement, I can turn it on, and then look at this. It's working. Look at the side. Yeah. Nice. Let's go over to the tag. So this is the SoloShot 2 tag. It's dead, yeah. Many years in storage. So I just melted around with a hot knife. Yeah. And then I open this and I see a 1 cells LiPo battery with the connector. So you can just take out the battery, replace it, or you can charge it with any MO battery, NiCad or something, in some minutes. So you get back the voltage on 3 volt and then put it back in the charger. You can wake up dead solar shots. So now I'm gonna try to take out this battery and charge it. Yeah, maybe it's alive. So you can use a hot knife, but I think it's 3 millimeters or something, so you don't cut the battery or something else. Let's just glue it back together. I just had to throw the battery on my backyard because it was all jelly. Yeah. So I removed the battery from the GPS, a tag. Yeah. Cut off the wires and have a little smaller 1 cells LiPo battery just for now. So now I'm gonna try to charge and test if it will turn on. Solar shot. The new battery is in. Yeah. I'm gonna of course glue it back together, but let's see if it turn on. Basse is good at repairs. Yeah. You can fix your solar shot tag and solar shot base. Of course you can. Look at this. Just replace the battery. Use some heat on your knife and just slice like butter. Take out the battery. Replace. Yeah. So I decided right now to just glue it back together. Yeah, it's not pretty, but you can of course make it prettier if you want. Yeah, and I just took the cables out so I can use a bigger battery and just place it on the back here or on the top or else in the planes. I use this tag in my planes and helicopters, so the solar shot can I can make video when I'm alone at the airfield. Yeah, I used it many times before, but now I'm just gonna order a bigger 1 cell LiPo, 1 cell, remember that, and place it wherever I want. Yeah, perfect. And now I have sealed the place where I cut open the tag here with the Tech 7. Yeah. And I have these connectors. So now I have this 1 cells LiPo battery, 780 milliamps. So look at this. Disconnect, and now the tag is working. Yeah, so easy. And now I can place this in my one of my planes or helicopter, the battery somewhere else in the plane, or just I can attach it to the tag like this. Yeah, and it's easy to charge this battery with one of my computer chargers. Yeah, perfect. Then I turn it on, went 1 red light, and now after 8 minutes outdoor the GPS is ready, so it works. Let's bring it to the airfield and try it.